Good morning, everyone. So today is Saturday. We're getting breakfast ready.
Hi, everybody.
I'm kind of looking like a peacock over here in my hair. Michael's having his breakfast. What did you have in here? What? I can't hear you. You gotta say louder. Oh yeah. And what's this over here?
Cake.
Huh?
Candy cupcake.
A cupcake? That's not a cupcake. What is that?
Orange.
No. What's in here? Leche. And Adam is right over here. He's almost ready to have his breakfast too. Hi, Adam. Look how big he's getting, guys. He's officially a month old. He's a month and a couple of days now. He's so big.
Hey, Daddy.
Hey, buddy.
And Daddy's over here
What's happening?
cooking, making the eggs. And I'm trying to cook some hash browns over here. We'll see how they turn out. So it's 10:30 now and we are headed to the park. We've been looking forward to the park all week long. What day is it today? What day is it?
Soccer.
No, what day is it today? No, it's
Saturday.
Saturday. So what happens today? Where do we go?
The park.
We go to the park on Saturday? Oh yeah, are you excited for the park? Yeah? You gonna sleep? Okay, good night. Good night, Michael. He's silly. And here's Adam, ready to go to the park for the very first time. I swear he looks so big to me. I swear he looks like he's 3 months old. Gentle hands, okay? Gentle hands.
Old.
Huh?
I'm 3 old.
Yeah, see, he's 1 month old. Show me one, Michael, with your hands. Good job. 1 month. He's such a big boy. And you're such a big boy, huh, Michael? Michael is a big boy. Michael is so cute. So cute. So we're back from the park. Michael is putting Michael Jr. to bed. And then Adam is actually taking a nap in the swing right now. We left the kitchen looking a complete mess. So I need to clean it up. I cleaned it up a little bit and cleaned up the living room just a little bit. Just to make it look more presentable. So I'm gonna finish cleaning up the kitchen. as you guys saw, I just finished pumping, and I am not exclusively pumping, but I'm trying to pump twice a day. In Adam's like midday nap, so like it's 2:30 right now, so I try to do my first pump between like 1:30 and like 2:30, and then I do another pump at nighttime once he goes to bed for the night. And the reason I'm doing that is obviously because I want to breastfeed and I want to increase my supply, but also because at one point I'd like to have some milk so that somebody else can feed him and I can share like this responsibility, I guess. So Michael's been helping me feed him at nighttime sometimes, or his last feed of the night, and that really helps a lot because I can get some things done or I can sleep a little longer. Yeah, I feel like, I don't know, I feel really accomplished. Because when my other son Michael, when he was born, he was my first one, and I tried to breastfeed him and I only was able to exclusively breastfeed him for like 2 days, and then I just couldn't do it. Like I felt like I didn't have enough milk, so I stopped exclusively breastfeeding and I started to introduce formula. So we did formula and breast milk for a year, and then I continued breastfeeding until he was 1.5 years, but I was never able to do it just, you know, exclusively breastfeeding. So, and now with Adam, he's a little bit over, he's actually a month and like a week now, and all he's ever had is just breast milk. And I'm not the kind of person that thinks breast milk is the best. No, I just think that if I can supply it and I can save money on it, then that's what I want to do. But I don't know, I just think breastfeeding kind of gives you like a certain bond that, you know, you get to have with your kids. And I have that with Michael, and I want to have that with Adam too. And I don't know, I just feel really accomplished that I've been able to do it for over a month now, and I know how hard it is to not be able to. And at least for me, it was really hard with Michael when I wasn't able to, and I felt really sad that I wasn't able to. And then when he finally stopped breastfeeding at 1.5 years, I was so sad that he stopped. Like, I remember telling Michael, like, I wish that he would have just continued. I mean, I was already pregnant with Adam when Michael stopped breastfeeding, so I was just really sad that he stopped, and he stopped on his own. I didn't push him or like force him off or anything. He just stopped asking for it, so I stopped giving it to him. So now with Adam, it's, you know, I've been able to, and it just makes me feel really happy and very like, I don't know, like, oh, I'm doing it. But every day I get scared, oh my god, what if I'm not giving him enough? Or what if like I start drying up? Or, you know, am I eating something that's gonna make my milk supply like go lower or something like that? So I've been trying to drink tons of water. The other day, Michael and I actually calculated how much water I was drinking throughout the day, and we calculated over 200 ounces. And I was like, oh my gosh, that's insane, because that's a ton of water. And the funny thing is that I drank that much water, and I probably only peed like 8 times that day, and my pee was still a little yellow, which is so insane. Like, oh my gosh, how much water do I have to drink so that my pee is not yellow? But it's because it's all going to him, you know, which is, it's good, and I'm excited. I'm happy that I'm able to do this for him. So hopefully it continues, because I want to be able to continue until he's like 1 year old with me just breastfeeding. And if I have to introduce formula, I obviously will, because, you know, fed is best, but I want to be able to like just breastfeed him until he's in food, obviously. But yeah, I think it's really exciting. So I'm gonna go ahead and start on dinner soon, and I'm gonna make this lo mein recipe from Pinterest. It says it's like super easy and it's like 15 minutes long, so we're gonna see it, how it works out. Adam just woke up from a nap. He's right there. He just finished eating. He's relaxing right there. And then both Michaels are outside playing and watering the grass. It's a really nice day out, so I think we're gonna hang out outside for a little bit. To show you guys what it ended up looking like, but this is what it looks like. It's actually pretty good. I like it. Happy Sunday. So we're headed to the aquarium just to spend a couple of hours there and get out of the house a little bit, but we went the wrong way, so now you guys get to see the Queen Mary.
No, where to go?
Oh, never mind. we just finished up at Costco, so make sure you guys stay tuned for a future Costco haul video coming really soon. And our back window's open because we have the tree sticking out of our back window, so hopefully it doesn't fall off. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed it and had a good time watching our video. And yeah, with all that being said, I hope you guys have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next one. Bye! Everybody say bye!
Bye.
Bye! Dad?